Lookup is the terminology used for the drop-down selection fields within Colleague. These are modifiable lists which you may wish to change over time, so it is important that you're aware how these fields are updated. When in Global Settings, select Lookup Maintenance. In this area, you will find all of the available lookups in the system. Due to some of the hard-coded workflows within Colleague and the dangers of deleting lookup entries incorrectly, you will find that whereas adding and editing lookups is widely available, deleting lookup codes is restricted to only a select few. These are listed here. Skills are also included within the remit of lookup maintenance. In this scenario, we're going to add some additional IT skills so that we can then code a candidate with the additional skill sets. Scroll down and click on Skill Categories. Then select the parent skill, which in this case is IT skills. When adding a skill, select the parent skill first and then press Add New. The code you enter will need to be unique. Now enter the description, which will be the title of the skill. Select whether the skill is to be a parent or a child. A parent will be a subfolder containing subskills. You'll notice that parent skills have an option for scope. This is to configure whether the skills within the parent can only be used within candidate records or company. If it can be used within company, this includes its use within contacts and requirements. The default selection will be all. You'll also notice a tick box called Include in Parsing. This is to instruct the auto scan feature when parsing a document for skills to include the skills within this folder. Now we're going to enter some skills. As before, select the parent skill you wish to create the new skill code within. Click Add New. Enter a unique code, then enter a description, and now click the Save Code button. You'll notice there is an option called Sequence. The default sorting order of a lookup code is alphabetical, but Sequence allows you to specify the numbered order in which the options are displayed. As with many options within Global Settings, in order for these changes to take effect, you will need to log out and then log back in. When deleting lookup codes, if the code is in use, you'll receive this warning. Clicking Yes will delete all instances where the code is in use as well as the code itself. To delete a parent folder, you will need to convert the code to a child first before being able to press Delete. The final point to touch on is the default option. When creating a record in the system, such as a candidate, you may wish to default certain lookups to pre-populate the data. In this instance, we'll default the candidate status to active. Click Update if it's an existing lookup, tick Default, click the Save Code button, and close. What you'll now see is that when we create a candidate, the default status is active. The next video will be on custom fields.